Hello everyone and welcome to our test video on how to install Proxmox on the Youyeetoo X1 eMMC. Stay tuned as we go through each step in detail. Let's get started. Step 1. Create installation disk. Start by burning Proxmox 8 onto a USB flash drive. This will serve as our installation disk. Step 2. Choose debug mode. During installation, be sure to select debug mode for optimal performance. Step 3. Modify installation configuration. Next, we'll need to make some adjustments to the installation configuration. Specifically, we'll modify the block.pm file to ensure recognition of the eMMC. Step 4. Complete installation. Once the modifications are made, proceed with the installation process as usual.